Electric vehicles have come a long way, but one name continues to define the segment. The 2026 Tesla Model 3 proves that affordable doesn't mean compromising on performance, technology, or style. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where today we're diving into why this electric sedan remains the benchmark everyone else is chasing. Design. Tesla has refined the Model 3's design with subtle yet impactful updates. The sleek, minimalist exterior features improved aerodynamics that enhance both range and efficiency. Flush door handles, a panoramic glass roof, and distinctive LED lighting create a modern, sophisticated appearance. Inside, the cabin embraces simplicity with premium materials, ambient lighting, and that signature massive center touchscreen. Every design choice prioritizes function and elegance. Performance. The Model 3 delivers instant electric torque that makes acceleration thrilling and effortless. Whether choosing the standard or performance variant, the responsive powertrain provides smooth, silent speed that never gets old. The low center of gravity from the battery pack creates exceptional handling characteristics. Regenerative braking feels natural, and the driving dynamics rival traditional sports sedans while offering zero emissions. Features and technology. Tesla's tech game remains unmatched. The intuitive touchscreen controls everything from climate to entertainment. Autopilot capabilities, over-the-air updates, and seamless smartphone integration keep the Model 3 feeling fresh. Impressive range, extensive supercharger network access, and advanced safety features make daily driving and road trips equally practical. Conclusion. The 2026 Model 3 continues pushing electric mobility forward. Ready to make the electric switch? Tell us your thoughts in the comments. Enjoyed this review? Hit that like button, share with future EV owners, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more automotive insights. Drive electric.